Hello, everyone. Welcome to weekly governance security policies group discussion. We don't have lots of things in our agenda, but let's get started. So first of all, we have one item that Sashi mentioned, like during our work on tags for adding tags to security policies. And Sashi, you're saying that there's a problem with running those with child pipelines. Like these child pipelines are always troublesome. um, so yeah, you do want to elaborate on that or?
Yeah, sure. So while checking or testing the flow there, I actually found that we cannot pass on the tags to a child pipeline unless we change the template. And since we are actually having a default template, update the template either, right? So we cannot pass the tags directly to the child pipeline. That happens only for SaaS scanning execution policies. So that part didn't work. So I created another MR to update the docs and remove the passing on the tags to the pipeline part. So probably for now, that would be the first step. And as Alan mentioned, we can probably take that as a part of the other spike that we have to remove the child pipeline entirely.
Yeah, I have one idea I want to try today, as I have some time to do some coding. So maybe I'll just try it on, see if it works. I'll let you know in the MR. We're gonna find out, because if that will be simpler than creating a validation and other all that, that's definitely more beneficial for us. All right, Sam, you wanted to add something?
Just a note that I don't know if this is part of this or not, or if I created another issue, but if we could stop using child pipelines for SaaS and dependency scanning, that would be really helpful because it's breaking the pipeline for several customers.
Yeah, definitely. That's why we have the spike, and hopefully instead of having implementation issues out of the spike, we're gonna have MRs with the fix. And we're gonna fix, because we had some discussions with Mirko as well. And he also was mentioning that he has some trouble with child pipelines, as you're not able to directly get the results of your child pipeline in your main pipeline. So you have to go further and see the results there. So there's so many different issues with that we shouldn't have been using this in the first place.
Okay, sorry, I missed that. That's exactly what the spike is for.
Okay.
All right, yeah, that sounds great.
Okay, great. All right. Another thing, yeah, as you know, we have a budget, like your holiday party budget. We haven't decided what we're going to do within our group. As our group is pretty small, there are two options that we can take. We can either join sec growth and data science for Viltur get together, or on the same date, there will be sec section, separate team day. I'm not sure if they'll be merged or not. At least we know that there's some sessions and you can join them and you can reimburse food for up to $100. So feel free to do it. If you want to do something specifically for our team, let us know. Yeah, that's it. I don't think we need to discuss it. Right, I have one item for read-only. I did small change in our planning process. I've included, we've been discussing this with Sashi, well, I've included the verification steps into refinement process. So whenever you refine an issue, now you need to add verification steps, plus additionally some additional cases that we would like to test. This will help us better understand what we want to test after the issue is completed. And this will help someone that will verify the issue itself to actually test if it's working or not. We have a problem in the past where some of our features were not fully tested, and because of that we had some bugs that we need to find a way to resolve them before they are becoming a problem for others. So that's why. Okay. Another thing, as you know, in 2 weeks we're gonna probably all of us will be on PTO. So I want to say, enjoy your holidays, have a great time, enjoy vacation, Dominic, and yeah, and just take some rest and get rested, and see you in 2023.
Yeah, thank you. Wish you all the same, of course. So,
Yeah. Okay. Is there anything else we'd like to discuss? I know there's one thing. No? Okay. I'm going to stop recording. So thank you.